Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to time track on asana.com. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into it. In order to track your time in Asana, you need to use a third-party software, but no worries, it's already built in. You just need to activate it. So to do that, on your Asana homepage, go right top side of the corner and click on this little circle. Then click on My Settings. In My Settings menu, click on Apps. Then activate Harvest Time Tracking by simply clicking on this button and then close this pop-up. Then go to the left side menu and click on My Tasks. On your My Task dashboard, select a task and then click on this little timer icon. Actually, you need a Harvest account to use this feature. So if you don't have any, click here and create one for free. But I already have an account, so I'm going to click on Sign In. Then sign in with Google. And to start timer, I'm going to simply click on this button. And to see how much time I spent, I'm going to click on this timer once again. And that's how you track time on asana.com. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others find this video too. Thank you for watching.